Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. It is Saturday and we're running some errands and we're also gonna go get some lunch, but I wanted to show you also a really easy recipe, sorry we're taking a turn, to make a lemon pie. It is so easy, so let's get started. We are on our way to go get some lunch. I got a gift card, so we're gonna go to Panera Bread. I love that place. And then afterwards, I think we're gonna hit like Target and Walmart because I wanted to see if I can find a couple more fall things. So Ezzy got a smoothie. It's strawberry banana, right? Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty good, huh? Yeah, Paul and I ate our lunches faster than we can record them. I totally forgot. But he had, what did you have?
It was barbecue chicken flatbread.
And would you get it another time?
I would. It was good.
That was good. And I got a toasted turkey BLT with avocado. Very good. And it's only, I got like half of a sandwich. So I got a half salad. And I got the Fuji apple, which is so good. I'm gonna get that brownie right there. Little dessert for Paul and I. I just wanted to get some pillows for our bench in the outside. And so these are only $5. And I saw these checkered ones are inspired by, if you've not seen Classy Clutter on Instagram, this totally reminded me of them. So I'm gonna get a couple. It also seems like a good day to go to Target. Don't you think, Ezzy? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So after leaving Target, we got a few fall things. These are the Hershey caramel apples, and they're pretty good. But I was really looking for the caramel apple, I think that's what it's called, Milky Ways. Those were really good, and I haven't seen them yet, so that's okay. I also got this cute little pumpkin, and it was on sale for $4.50, I believe. But anyways, it is super cute. I'll put it by the front porch. And then we got Ezra yesterday a shirt, a Halloween shirt, so we thought we'd get Jonas one. Look at how cute that is. Stormtrooper with a skeleton that says more candy. So hopefully he likes it and will actually wear it to school now that he's in middle school. Just never know. So I added my new little pumpkin. They're so cute. And my little Classy Clutter inspired pillows. Don't mind that. I'm gonna clean all that too. We have this like super cute hummingbird family that loves our front door tree. It's like this little tree in our front yard. But always those top branches are pretty dead, so I'm sure it's not a healthy tree. But we don't want to do anything to make the hummingbird leave and his little family. It's so cute. So I'm going to make now, after going, you get to see me do all of my little errands today, I'm going to now make our dessert for tomorrow. It's called lemon cream pie. It is so easy that I'm going to show you a little bit, but I'll have the recipe card at the end of the video. But pretty much it's like 3 ingredients. Sweetened condensed milk, some Cool Whip, which I have here already thawed, and some lemonade concentrate, which I've come to room temperature. So that's it. And then I'm just going to put it in this already prepared pie tin. So if you're wanting to make your own pie crust, then go ahead and do that. Feel free. But this is super easy. I'm just going to whip it up, put it right in the crust. So I'm going to get going on that. leftover. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there it is. So I probably could have gotten the extra large crust. So I think it's called +2 servings. So what I'm just gonna do is I have a glass bowl and some graham crackers. So I'll just crumble them up and put the rest of that yummy, yummy lemon filling on top. And maybe we could have that tonight and then have the pie tomorrow. Sounds like a good plan to me. So good. So that'll just take a couple hours to set because I'm not putting it in a crust, right? So it doesn't have to take that long. So good. So creamy and tart. So good. If you love lemon, this is a really easy and good dessert. We just came back from church and we've had our meal, which was shepherd's pie, by the way, and I've done a tutorial on that, so just search it in my videos if you're interested. But I made an easy dessert. Remember, it's set up nicely. Look, I can kind of do what they do like at Dairy Queen, but I don't want to accidentally drop it. So I'm just gonna cut this up and plate it, and I'm almost done here. So I just plated mine, and it's a little loose. I'm not gonna lie. So it's a little looser, but it's very, very, I can smell it. It smells really, really good. So a way to alleviate that issue if you're gonna be taking it to somebody's house is freeze it. That'll be the easiest thing to do. I can't wait to eat it. I know I was licking the bowl a little bit last night when I was putting it in, so. So easy, so creamy, way tart, way sweet. So it's all good. So all those flavors are perfect in this easy lemon pie. Now remember, the recipe will be at the end of the video. So good. You know what would be really nice too is to garnish it with maybe some lemon slices, right? If you're taking it to somebody's house, make it a little fancier. Definitely. It's definitely a good one. I'm so glad that you stopped by my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you think you're gonna make this or if you're gonna try it in the future. I'm so glad that you're here. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you along. So please click that subscribe button and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye.